Hello everyone. In this video, we will share astrological insights on how individuals born under the sign of Leo, also called Simha Rashi, can easily enhance their fortune based on their horoscope. By following the instructions provided in this video, Leo individuals can excel in their career and jobs, making significant progress in life. The tips and hints in this video aim to help Leo people gain exceptional planetary strength, lucky influences, and horoscopic advantages. For Leo individuals, Sunday and Monday are considered lucky days, and the numbers 1, 4, 5, and 9 are deemed auspicious. Therefore, undertaking important tasks on these fortunate days and aligning with these lucky numbers can significantly increase the chances of success. The fortunate colors for Leo individuals include orange, red, and green. Wearing clothes in these colors regularly is believed to bring good luck and positive energies into the lives of Leo individuals. To get favorable horoscope strength, worship Lord Shiva on Sundays by visiting Shiva temples and making offerings such as coconut, bananas, flowers, incense sticks, and camphor. Breaking a coconut in the temple is believed to symbolize the breaking of the afflictions in your horoscope and bring blessings. So, it is a must to offer and break coconuts when visiting temples to ensure that the horoscope afflictions are removed and blessings are received. Reciting mantras and stotras dedicated to Lord Shiva and Lord Rudra is also an effective way to get good horoscope strength. For improved horoscope strength and lucky influence, recite the Om Rudraya Namaha mantra every day or every Sunday for at least 3 minutes or as much time as you can spare. It is considered more auspicious to recite these mantras while visiting temples. By visiting Lord Shiva temples on Sunday, you can help overcome issues such as health problems, trouble with authorities, conflict with father or sons, eye and heart related ailments, challenges with parental relatives, lack of determination, low self-confidence, and fearfulness. Additionally, by visiting Lord Shiva temples on Sunday, one can yield favorable outcomes including increased courage, strength, triumph over adversaries, fame, good health, success in difficult endeavors, and relief from chronic illnesses. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends and relatives. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. We wish you all the best and eagerly look forward to meeting you in other videos. Goodbye and Namaste.